Hello. Today we are going to demonstrate SilverLeaf's seasonal assembly BOM programs. This functionality was designed to ensure operations can plan specific varietal mix programs for a specific customer or group of customers, and further drive the assembly of these mixes based on a specific time of year. Assembly BOM programs are only for assemble to stock or assemble to order processes. We have another feature coming that will allow similar functionality for your production BOMs so that you can produce and grow specific mixes based on programs you want to achieve. Let's dive into seasonal assembly BOM programs. First, let's take a look at our seasonal calendar codes. These can be created for multiple date ranges in the same year or as many years in the future as needed. This helps reduce data management in the future when recurring seasonal programs occur. Now let's create some programs. Here we can create programs for holidays, specific box store groups, or other groups of customers for specific mixes your operation wants to achieve at any time of the season. We would recommend grouping like programs together to avoid duplication in data, such as holiday programs that all customers are going to get. We have various programs set up already, but for now, if we want to make any one of these programs available for a specific season, we can choose a calendar code. So Halloween, we have our calendar code of Halloween. If I want to drill into what our calendar code for Halloween is, I can see it here. And I can see that we've got Halloween set between October 15th through October 31st for not only 2023, but all the way through to 2025. And this can go on for as many years as necessary. Now that we have some of our programs set up and identified, we actually need to go create the assembly BOM versions that we're going to apply to these programs. This can be done in any order that works best for your users. So I'm going to go to Programs, Assembly BOM Versions. We're going to look at two different versions of the same finished good. Here we have our Halloween and our Christmas. It's our finished good 60. We have two different versions. Let's go take a look at Christmas. When we drill in, this is where we can set the specific mix that we're trying to achieve for our finished good. So we're going to set our specific varietals, our rules, and the percentage or quantity per. This is SilverLeaf's assembly BOM versions that allows us to do these rule codes. So what this allows us to do is set whether our rule is going to be by percentage or quantity per. So this would be in the example of I have a quantity of 100 and I don't want to hard set a specific quantity of our super petunias, our petunia whites, and our snowdrifts. I just want to try to achieve a specific percentage mix, as each grouping and picking of these may be different just based on the quality of the products. This is where percentage really helps us. So now we can certify this BOM once we've completed it. And let's just go take a look at Halloween just so that we can see that it's a different mix of products, different percentages, but the same finished good. You can set up as many rules as you need to meet your operational requirements for product mixes. So now that we're done, we can come back to our programs, and from our programs, you could have done this from the assembly BOM versions as well, but let's say that we want to add specific assembly BOM versions to this. I've already got my version of our premium petunias here, but I can add many more to this program as I need, and I can just actually select add versions to programs here and choose from a laundry list of all of my assembly BOM versions as opposed to doing one by one. So now that we've got some of our programs set up, let's go see this in action on a sales order. These programs do work not only for sales orders, but transfer orders as well. So I've got a sales order already set up that I'm going to work with here. And we're just going to add that finished good that we are working with to our order, which is our premium petunias. Let's do a quantity of 100. And notice in SilverLeaf, we've promoted the assembly BOM lines as a subform on the sales order and the transfer order, so users can immediately see the different items needed for the assemble to order functionality and can make adjustments as needed. This order's current ship date is for October. And so that should pick up our Halloween program. And as we see, the seasonal program is identified as our seasonal Halloween. So let's just see this in action. Let's move this out to December, which should be in our Christmas program. Do I want to modify the shipment dates? Yes, I do. I just want to continue through. Now notice our seasonal program has changed from Halloween to Christmas, and our assembly lines have changed to the Christmas assembly BOM version. If you're interested in learning more, please contact us today. Thank you so much.